Hello dear student, welcome back to online classes organized by Gurukul Sampada School, Kolar. Here we are going to learn the subject mathematics for the standard 7. In that we are going to study geometrical construction. So first part in that geometrical construction is what? Angle bisector. What? Angle bisector. In previous lecture, we already studied the different geometrical tools used for the construction. Again, I am going to repeat. Now, this one, first one is a what? A compass. Okay, in that, one end of the compass is fixed and in the second end, we are inserting the pencil. Okay, it is used to draw a circle, it is used to draw an arc. Okay, next one is the what? It is the scale or the ruler. Okay, which is used to measure the distance or the used to draw a straight lines. Okay, then third one, this one is a what? It is a protractor. Okay, which is used to measure an angle. Now this protractor is used, if you are observing on the left side, here it is the 0 is marked, on the right side it is the 180. Means this protractor is used to measure an angle from 0 to 180 degree. Okay, and these two are the what? Set squares. Okay, first set square is of 90 degree, 45 degree, and next one is the what? 90, okay, 30 and the what? 60. Okay, these are the two set squares. Okay, so these are the geometrical tools used for the constructions. Now here we are going to study the first angle bisector. Okay, first an angle, if I draw a simple this angle, okay, this suppose angle AOB. Okay, in that angle AOB, how to read it is AOB, and angle AOB, it can be write like this. Okay, so now in this angle AOB, okay, always remember angle is read at the vertex and that point is always comes at the center. Here is the angle is what? O. So this angle AOB. Okay, suppose we consider here the angle AOB is a what? 60 degree. Okay, and now here we want to divide an angle into two equal parts. Okay, so how to divide these? So we are going to study the procedure to draw an angle bisector. Okay, so first is what? Suppose I draw an angle. Okay, first I draw a straight line. Okay, then I use this protractor to mark an angle of 60 degree. Okay, so I keep it at vertex. Okay, I measure it from this side and here is the angle what? 60 degree. Okay, so again I draw a straight line and join with the vertex. Okay, so this is the what? Angle A, O and B, and angle AOB is how much? Is of 60 degree. Okay, now next step is what? We want to divide this an angle into two equal parts. Okay, so first step is what? I take this compass. Okay, I keep its fixed end at the vertex. Okay, and draw and randomly an arc of. Now I take this compass at vertex O. Okay, and take a distance and a radius randomly and draw an arc which intersect both the rays OA and OB, okay, at point D and E. Okay, means what is the next step? We take randomly and a distance as a radius of an arc and keep at fixed end at its vertex and draw an arc which intersect both the rays at points D and E. Okay, now next step is what? Again I am taking, suppose now this DE distance. Okay, now I take the distance which is greater than half of this length D. Okay, suppose this much. I keep first at point D and mark an arc. Okay, then same distance I keep this fixed end at E and draw second arc which intersect at these points. Okay, then I draw a straight line with the help of scale from this O and consider this point as a F. So join OF. Okay, join this straight ray OF. Okay, now this OF, okay, this is an ray which divides this angle AOB into two equal parts. So OF is called angle bisector. Angle bisector. Okay, now if we measure this an angle, now suppose EO and F or DOF. Now we measure how much is the value. Okay, now if you observe exactly this angle is what, 30 degree, and this one is what, now 30 degree, means this ray OF, which is an angle bisector, divide this angle AOB into two equal parts. Okay, so can we write here the angle DOF is equal to angle FOE, which is equal to 30 degree. Okay, so means what, we can say that this one angle is equal to this one, 30 degree. Okay, now I hope all of you understood how to divide an angle. Okay, I am also going to cover a short topic. Okay, now angle are of generally three types. First type is acute angle. Okay, what is meant by acute angle? An angle which measures less than 90 degree and greater than 0 degree. Okay, that angle is called acute. Now whatever we angle consider here, angle AOB which is of 60 degree, means it is an acute angle. Second angle is what? Right angle. Okay, now what is meant by right angle? An angle which measures 90 degree, means right angle means what? Angle is of 90 degree. Okay, and third one is what? Obtuse angle. Okay, third type is the what? Obtuse angle. What is an obtuse angle? Angle which measures greater than 90 degree, okay, and less than 180 degree. That angle is called what? Obtuse angle. Okay, in next lecture I will also show you how to draw an angle bisector of right angle and the obtuse angle. Okay, now in this video we draw an angle bisector of acute angle. Okay, so I hope all of you understood. Thank you very much.